Leaders in design and technology are once again coming together to discuss how design can help solve real-world problems. Now in its third year, the International Design Conference carries the theme Design Futures. Now to tell us more about this, we have in the studio Rhea Matute, Design Center Executive Director, and two speakers, Dr. Andrew Dent of Material Connexion and Kevin Martin of Unspun. Good morning and welcome to New Day.
Good morning.
Exciting times are ahead, and I know you guys have a busy day for you. So, world of design, do tell us as leaders come together for the International Design Conference, which is of course spearheaded by the DTI's Design Center of the Philippines. Now, first up, do explain what the conference is all about and what is the main mission of your conference.
Well, the International Design Conference is really to expand. I mean, it's really a platform to expand really like how people appreciate design, and primarily really like to focus design as a solution-driven kind of discipline. So it's really about right now like what we're doing is the theme is Design Futures. So we're really talking about a design response towards Industrial Revolution 4.0 and sustainability. So it's really
so it's like design and technology merging, and so the importance of holding an event such as this at this day and age.
I think it's, I mean, like the value is really to bring in like the innovators, the people that are really working at the edge of like design and technology, and have this kind of like a Filipino audience listen to these trailblazers so that they get to experience it, you know, like face to face, and then really like get to meet all these people that are really like at the forefront of design and technology, so that they can also like find ways to collaborate. I mean, that is primarily the first reason, is to collaborate with Filipino creatives, as well as for more of like an aspirational kind of like platform as well.
Okay, now these two young gentlemen are the movers and the shakers. We have Andrew and Kevin, and these are the two speakers, or one of the speakers that we'll be seeing in the conference. Now let's start with Andrew. You are the Executive Vice President of Research at the Material Connections, which is a materials consultancy that helps companies source advanced materials to enhance their projects. Now, do tell us, how do you define the materials? I mean, I know it's quite important to you in terms of sustainability, and even some of your talks, you talk about thrift and how to make use of and recycle all of these materials.
Well, we have a team of researchers in New York City, but we also have researchers around the world. The idea really is for them to find the most innovative materials from all different industries, but then always for design. So we work with many major brands, most household names, helping them find better materials. So the research team is basically tasked with searching out companies, startups, even research institutions in order to find those materials. We actually even, you know, we have also agreements with the Thai government. We would love to also have a close relationship with the Philippines in order to source materials that are indigenous to here, in order to put those materials in front of the major brands.
Okay, I mean, that's wonderful, because everything now is being more mindful. I mean, you create so many wonderful designs, but of course it has to also be put to good use. I know that is environmental friendly. Now, Kevin here is the co-founder of Unspun, a robotics and digital apparel company building custom jeans for each consumer. Now, what it is really, it's like what, on demand, made for you, especially for you. You don't need, you know, a lot of trial and error to find what actually fits. So do tell us, how did you come up with this one-of-a-kind on-demand jeans?
Yeah, I mean, we really at Unspun have been thinking about how we can match the actual demand with the actual supply. The apparel industry is notorious for overproducing. And apparel is majorly resource intensive. It's one of the dirtiest industries in the world besides big oil. So for us, there's this great opportunity in, if we can reverse the process and go from a consumer who wants to buy something and then make it for them, then we can customize it for them. We can eliminate that excess waste. And we can help save the environment by not producing a whole bunch of extra. So that's really kind of what we've thought about from the beginning, and built a great team of both hardware and software engineers to really think about how we can build those products.
So basically, it's a little bit more about quality rather than quantity, making good use of all of your products and using technology to create intelligent products, and of course services that can help improve our day-to-day activities, you know, our lifestyle. This seems to be what the issue is these days.
Yeah, I think it's more of a consciousness. I mean, so it's really going against like, like just normal or regular
Mass.
decision-making process that we do every day, but really like analyze really like how we choose what to wear, what to eat, what to buy, and where to buy. So that's, that's basically what we're trying to.
And also with technology and all of the advancements that's actually out there, how can we actually use all these smart technologies that people keep, inventing day in and day out to help influence sustainability, especially like for you in the age of fashion, or even for you in the age of being able to recycle and make use of all of these materials. Technology actually now plays the bigger role.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, I think it's using the advancement in technology and the ability to make things better and produce things faster in a smart way that helps localize that manufacturing line. So rather than needing to import everything, studying materials that can be found here and building robotic manufacturing processes that can use local materials.
In terms of materials that can be found here in the Philippines, would you like to help share some of them that you have discovered?
Well, I mean, you have abaca, you have banana fiber, you have laha, you have coir as well. All materials that are abundant here, which of course can be used to make basic artifacts and novelties, but what we're looking for is ways in which these materials can be used to make high-performance composites and more high-tech materials, to add value to those materials.
Okay, well, wonderful. So it's open today, starting today.
Yes, starting today at 8 a.m. for the registration, and 9 p.m. is when all the keynotes will start.
And it's still open. Anybody is free to attend.
Yes, but it's a first come, first serve. So we're a little oversubscribed, but depending on the weather. So like, if you're interested, please come as early as you can, so that for sure you'll have a seat
And where will
at
this
the
be?
Green Sun at Chino Roses Avenue Extension in Makati.
Well, wish you all the best, and we hope to have you guys back here in the Philippines, not just once.
Yes.
The first of many.
The first of many, always. That's always a good sign. Thank you so much, Rhea Matute of the Science Center. And, of course, our speakers. We have Andrew Dent and Kevin Martin.